Did you know that you're able to purchase bonds to provide yourself with another source of income? Contact Legacy Fund Limited to learn more. This is day 2, and you will be pleased to know that in Panama as well they take standees. That means that we really don't have a seat.
It's different solo on the color, but it's similar on the first bus.
Wait. This is day 2. We're having some translation difficulties here. I am saying to him that, you know, in other parts, we don't expect that they have standees in the bus.
Yeah.
Pero aquí, personas puede stand up, no
Yes,
sit down.
yes. You look to chair color blue.
Ajá.
This is special chair.
Es para personas como
Sí.
usted. No, it's joke. It's one
One
joke.
respect.
Es one handicap seat.
Yes, so the chair is special for all people, or the people have one difficult, no good wall or different. This is the color blue. In this area, it's preferential for
One wheelchair.
yes, for one wheelchair. This bus is special. El down, it has one table, but if el come inside, no problem. It stop in this area. I want, what is the name? This is?
It's one seat belt for the wheelchair people.
Yeah.
Maybe, okay, so I mean, this is a second fun today. Pero nosotros vamos.
This time, go for the Gold Church.
Okay, what is this gold church about?
Gold church is one church, the inside total is gold.
It's real gold? Or
Yes.
solo mira gold?
No, it's real gold.
Como my necklace?
Yes.
It's not.
Yes, it's gold church.
Personas no tratan de robar este church?
In past time, yes.
Pero ¿por qué
The
no en
reason,
este
the reason it's not supposed to come from the old Panama is for this. This church in past time is in old Panama.
Okay.
For the dangerous, the pirate come para take this church. Ellos move this church, and the name is Casco Antiguo.
Tienes
Move
el
and stone. Move the old Panama and this in Casco Antiguo.
He said stone by stone.
Yes.
All right, it's true.
It's true.
¿Usted cree?
Yes.
Okay. Para visitar este church, to visit this church, ¿es gratis más o menos?
Inside is free. No
Okay.
problem. No pay nothing. Only pay in this moment you boost the old
the
church.
viaje.
Yes, it's 60 cents. No more. So remember, you have 2 hours and bus free.
Es como one commercial para de vos usted ponga.
No. It's all people. The people come from Panama. It's no problem. You take one bus and go and visit different lugar. It's safety.
You know, this area is a little bit, this is old Panama because they have como normal homes.
Yes.
Vamos en este lado, por favor. Yes, if you notice in this area, there are normal homes. Like when we showed you yesterday, we showed you a lot of big structures, but in this area it's similar to Belize. I mean, you see, yes, you can still see the big structures in the distance, but you really see like normal homes. They're bungalows, if you will.
Yeah.
Como the houses como normal.
Yes, pero I want difference.
¿Qué es la diferencia?
You look the construction, the house,
Ajá, diga.
it's different.
¿Cómo?
You look some Belize how construction is muy high. For the water, this,
Ajá.
The Panama, no, it's different. You look some the construction, it's different. The
roof?
the roof, it's
Entonces,
different. Look in Belize, 2 more room is the cement.
True.
You look on the building in Panama,
So
the
este
houses.
es como un traditional home de Panama.
Yes.
All right. But then you look right up here and then you see the new Panama. It's incredible. It's incredible how close they are, but how the difference is so huge.
The building, the 100 and 200 floor.
And then we have some building here with one floor.
Oh yeah.
I love it. You know, I am always excited when we get the opportunity to get on the bus and see and see the different way the people live and how the average person traverse this town.
Okay. You know the river? Es como one division, one limit.
Okay, so the boundaries.
Yes, this is limit. Here is Panama, Old Panama and New Panama.
Este es the river.
Yep.
Es muy como one stream.
Yes.
Es deep. Es
no,
poco.
no. So in this moment, you look at this moment, rain coming. Oh.
Es como 4 feet tall.
Yes.
All right. So you can get up in the morning when you come to Panama, and you can go and explore all these sites on the bus for about 60 cents a stop. If your stop is more than 2 hours, if you can do two stops in 2 hours, then that is 60 cents as well.
Yes.
Everywhere is close, unless you want to go and see more nature, which we are going to go to those places in a few days. But for now, we are just exploring the city itself and what you can do in the city on really a small budget. All right. I mean, so far we have spent a whole 60 cents today, but it is the beginning of a new day. So we encourage you guys to follow along with us. We get to ride on the bus. I tell you, all the buses have AC. Who are one of our sponsors?
Where?
Thank some of our sponsors. Como Jack.
Oh yes, es similar, ¿no?
Diga.
Es como Jack Motor, #1 en Belize para
King Motors.
King's Motor. Igual a Travelers, continuamos con la gente de Mary Sharp, Wine Smith en San Ignacio, y las personas pues como Mary Sharp.
Usted dice Mary Sharp already.
Correcto. Traveler también, estamos con Traveler.
Yo necesito su ayuda, pero ustedes muy despacio con este. King Motors, the Winesmith, Mary Sharp,
Creative Marketing,
Legacy Fun, Legacy Fun.
Yes, Creative Marketing. Emil Torres, que está in this moment, es one person.
Compro automobiles para personas.
Yeah.
También él es one UDP hopeful
Yes.
in the convention coming up in Belmopan. So yeah, those are some of our sponsors. And then I think we've had it all. Mary Sharp, the Winesmith, King Motors, Travelers, Legacy Fund, Emil Torres, Creative Marketing. And you always like to say hello to the people at?
Welcome
to say Sire.
Sire.
And he wants to say go ahead.
Sire. Y Sayer, ¿cómo no? Sayer, la mejor pintura. Mr. Alberto y Miss Nancy. When different person. No, yo no remember one person, siempre es en el programa de Wine West.
Edward.
Mr. Edward.
All right.
Así que, I don't remember, no? But, look, so it's different. The construction in this area is.
We've come into the new Panama now.
New Panama now, yes.
All right, and you can tell when we are in the new Panama because the structures change. Now you are able to see bigger buildings. Yeah?
Yes.
Excellent. What we're going to do though, we're going to take a break. When we come back, we're going to be coming back from?
Gold Church.
In Panama City.
Casco Antiguo.
That's right. If you're just joining us, I want to remind you that this is our day 2 in Panama City. We're going to be roaming around Panama. And as good people roaming, we take public transportation. Once in a while, we jump in a taxi, but really and truly, I don't know about Cecilia, but I am excited to be taking the bus. Like I said, the bus has air conditioning, it has good seating. I mean, it's really a fun experience. What I love most about riding the bus, it's almost free. 60 cents makes it almost free.
And past time, this bus is different.
¿Es cuánto?
The music,
Woo!
dancing. The name is Devil Red.
Oh,
Diablos Rojos.
Gracias a Dios este cambio is true. Pero in this time, I like that it's a peaceful ride. I am looking for I'm telling you, I keep my eyes open for the Jack Motors, the Jack dealers here. I am hoping that I'll find them. But you know what? Google is an incredible, incredible thing. So we are going to be looking for them here. I know they have them because I've seen a few Jacks on the road. All right, so it's one of the things that I came. You know what? Every time you go to a country, you go for something. That's one of the reasons I am here. If it looks like I'm looking through the window, it's because that's exactly what I am doing. I'm a standee on the bus and I'm looking through the window. I absolutely love it. So we're going to be coming back from the Gold Church after this break.
The reason, and one of the main reasons I decided to run, besides the fact that I wanted to be the change, was because with the small business that I have, Jules, I have given so much with the little resources that I've had. And I believe, as a believer in Christ, that if you can be faithful with little, you will be faithful with much. I wanted to put myself in an area where there's more resources. With more resources, we can do more for Belmopan and the community. When I get in there, Belmopan is Belmopan, and everybody in Belmopan I serve. And the only thing I have in my business and outside is my word and my name. I am not going to break my reputation for anyone. I am here to work hard and to prove to the people of Belmopan that I am the most qualified out of those in the race. Emil Torres, be the change, be the future, be Belmopan. Not just me, you know. We, if you want to see the change, we got to be the change. We got to be the future. We got to be Belmopan.
We are still heading to the Gold Church. So we got off the bus because the bus is taking too long, and we figured out that the train can get us there. Yes, in Panama they have train. This will be my first time taking the train, all right? So I thought we would come and do this together for the first time. I'm not sure how it works. I just want to make sure that everything is working. So I'm not, oh man, look at that. It's like I have gone to the States, all right? I hope the cameraman can catch up, because if he's taking too long, oops, there you go. So we're gonna go take the train. Obviously, I'm going to need one of those same cards. You know, I have this water in my hand because really and truly we do a lot of walking and running around, and it is imperative that you stay hydrated. All right? ¿Qué ellos hacen en este momento aquí? ¿One qué?
Injection para COVID.
Yo no quiero one injection. Are you crazy? What?
Yes, it's free.
¿One qué?
Inyección para
No,
COVID.
yo no quiero.
That's what
Usa.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Yes, they use it. We press this service. All people, lot of people come. I need one injection. Come from here.
Oh, I tell you, this Spanish-English thing is really, it's getting to me. What he really is saying is that, hey, you can get your COVID vaccination here. I thought he was saying that you need to get one injection to get the train. I was like, I prefer to walk. No more injections for me. What I was saying is that you need to stay hydrated. So what do I do? Diga.
Nomás tiene que poner ahí. Here. Mira.
Yo no miro qué ella hacer. Oh, like that. Hey, and I'm in. Oh, I guess I need to let him in as well. We have the same card. And so exactly we're going to go to the Gold Church, but again, we're taking public transportation. And because we used the bus a little while ago, this journey is still on that same 60 cents. Nosotros no pagamos más para este. Es el mismo.
No more.
Ellos cobran el mismo. But the train station is nice and big and busy. You know, it's similar to New York City. All right, it has a lot of difference. But really and truly, if you've never been to New York City, or if you've never experienced a train ride, let's see if we can take you on that together for the first time. It's not my first train ride, but definitely it's going to be my first train ride in Panama. I asked the cameraman to go first because he knows exactly where we are going. I don't know where we are going. So, this train is 24/7?
No.
When does the train stop working?
To 11 o'clock.
In the night?
Yes.
Okay. So, what are we seeing here? Explica para mí, por favor. Diga,
Eh,
¿qué nosotros mirar?
in this moment,
Yeah.
it's the area para you take the train.
Where does the train go?
The lado es 5 de mayo. 5 May. The name is 5 May.
So the train only go to one specific place?
Yes, 5 de mayo.
Y regresa.
Oh, no, it's the Albrook. The end is in Albrook. He come back.
Okay, how long are we going to be on the train?
Como 10 minutes.
In the train?
Yeah?
Ooh, it's one good idea para salir the bus. I just love it. We're gonna wait. I don't know, Oh, I think the train is approaching, guys. I think the train is approaching. Este train venga.
Yes.
¿Cómo usted sabe?
The noise.
The noise. I know because I see the light.
Huh?
Yo miro the luz.
Okay.
Let's get you on this train. If you're just joining us, we are in Panama. This is our second day roaming around. And like I said, we take public transport to show you the ease in which you can get around. And this is going to go to Albrook. There you go. All right, let's see who's going to get off because make a little room for us to get on.
It's quick.
He says it's quick and we have made it onto the train. All right, this is our, all right, so 10 minutes I see.
Yes.
Oh wow, let me see if I can turn this around. Ooh. 10 minutes in the train and then we're going to be in the Gold Church.
Yeah.
All right.
Did you know that Travelers Liquors is the oldest operating distillery in Belize? In 1953, Mr. Jaime Omario Perdomo started blending Belizean products to produce rum for tourists. With creativity and foresight, he triumphed and built what is today Travelers Liquors, operating for almost 70 years. Our Heritage Museum is located in Belize City, open Monday through Saturday. We invite you to learn about the unique journey of our rum making history. Thank you for choosing Travelers Liquors, always there.
And this is the time at least we have been waiting for. We have made our way to the Church of Gold. If you look on the, well, I want to show you where we are first. We're in one of those nice, quaint areas. I'm not sure exactly where we are. What is the name of this area, Cecilio?
The way or the church
Area.
is Casco Antiguo.
Casco Antiguo. It looks really lovely. It looks like a place that you want to definitely visit and or live. But we came here to go inside the Church of Gold, all right? I know that Cecilio is Panameño y como mucho panameño ellos pensar este church tiene gold. In 2022, yo pienso no. Pero vamos inside para mirar. All right, let's go inside and see. This is Iglesia San Jose, St. Joseph Church. And here is a portion of the history. All right, let's go inside. I'm excited to go inside. All right, it says here, please remove your cap or hat before entering this church.
You look
as
the
one
history?
reverence.
In English?
This is where you see the history, but if you really want all the history, you can Google it. I'm excited to go inside. All right. Well, hello. All right, hello. Hello, hola.
Hola.
Usted no quería contestar con yo. I am sorry. ¿Qué es de costumbre cuando one person enter esta iglesia?
¿Cuál es la costumbre? Cuando la gente entra. Ay, pero no me grabe.
Está bien, solo, por favor, ayúdame.
Ajá. O sea, cuando la gente entra, lo primero que hace es dirigirse al altar y ahí entonces comienzan a mirar y recordar todo lo que han escuchado de él y visitan la iglesia y luego salen.
Gracias. I only hear certain things. This is a Catholic church. So if you are a Catholic, or I mean if you are a God-fearing person in general, when you come into a church, there are some reverence that you have to do. You can't just run up into the church and act wild. It's just not how it is. So for me, I would like to sit in the church for a little bit. Just come on in silence, you know, to observe and enjoy the view en esta iglesia, you know. Yo quiero sentar poco para mirar, para inhale. You understand? You can't just walk into the church like any normal place. You have to treat it with some level of reverence. We've made our way into the Gold Church. This is one of those tourist attractions. It's really, when I walk in here, I feel peaceful. ¿Cómo usted siente cuando usted entra?
Oh, este es recordar la historia de mi Panamá. Siempre nos han dicho que es el altar de oro. Es como recordar la historia de tiempos antiguos. Este altar trae muchos piratas a Panamá porque ellos quieren saquear para ellos como pirata Henry Morgan.
Well, I just have to make it clear that this is, I mean, the color is of gold. It is not it's not filled with gold. You can't come in here, scrape off piece of this and think you're going to make it a gold necklace. Behind it is wood actually. But it is really a place of reverence. When you walk in here, it is warm. I feel, como usted dice, yo tengo pena para contestar cuando es en este place, pero yo pienso cuando nosotros entra es para silencio, para observar.
Yes.
What I say is, I feel sad, or I'm a little disappointed that I have to speak when I'm in this church, because when I come in here, if I wasn't at work and I didn't want to show you this place, I would really come in here and sit down and just, my soul would be at peace. It's one place to relax and put your mind at peace. If you are a Christian, in my opinion, this is what I would do. I'm not saying what you guys have to do. I'm not telling you how to feel. I am sharing my thoughts and sentiments when I walk in here. I really feel peaceful. So this is the Gold Church. This is where people come to, I guess they come to sit down, they come to see, and they come to learn a little bit about the history of Panama inside here.
Yes.
We're going to take a quick break and be back. Did you know that you're able to purchase bonds to provide yourself with another source of income? Contact Legacy Fund Limited to learn more. I am not exactly sure where we are, but we came here we came here one night and saw this, so we came back to see if we can see this one more time. I want to show what this guy is doing. My Mexican friend here will help me. Tell me your name.
Mi nombre es Marta Hernández. This is the first time that I tasted.
Yes?
Yeah.
And what is it like?
It's so delicious.
All right. In Mexico, do they have the ice like this?
Yeah. In Mexico is the same system. Yeah. But there are different flavors. Yeah. And some kind is a little different too, but it's like this. It's something
similar.
like this. It's similar. Yeah.
You know, in Belize, they have similar as well, except that in Belize, the ice is already shaved. I mean, if they have this in this block form, I have never seen it. But the other night when I came out here, I said, I'm going to come back today to see if I can get some ice and see something real Panamanian.
Yeah. She's from Panama. Let me see. Hey, contéstale.
Is this traditional for Panama?
Yes, raspaos are very traditional here.
Your
in
name is
Panama.
what?
My name?
No, the name.
Ah,
I
the
said.
name raspao.
In Belize, we call it shave ice.
Okay.
And your name is?
Maria. Maria. Fernanda.
Maria. I want you to catch when he's filling the cup. This is how he's filling the cup. All right? He fills the cup in one interesting way. I am super excited. I am gonna have to have one. What is your favorite? I see that you had
This is Nancy. Nancy.
you had crabble. And you? One.
One.
Ajá. Pero yo, ¿qué clase usted tiene? ¿Qué clase?
Lemon, coconut, fruit punch, nance y passion fruit natural.
¿Y qué?
Natural, son naturales.
Natural passion fruit.
Ah, los artificiales son menta, frambuesa, rosa y uva.
¿Qué usted prefiere? ¿Qué
No, yo no como raspado, tú vas a comer raspado.
I like this guy. When you come to Panama, look for this guy. Come right here to this plaza and look for this man. I love that Panamanians are always well dressed. No importa que ellos, donde ellos mira bien siempre. Su nombre, por favor.
Ahí está.
Ahí está. Oh, no puedo leer. Don Julio. Look for the Don Julio card. I tell you, any person that visits Panama, por favor, viene aquí. Entonces, yo quiero, ¿qué?
Car, you don't have money, you pay Yapi.
Say it again.
Yapi.
¿Qué es Yapi?
Yapi is similar a DigiWallet in Belize.
Yeah.
If you don't have money, you have DigiWallet, pay with DigiWallet.
This guy is advanced.
Yo, look at this. Look the car. Ese, estamos en Yapi.
Old man.
Ah!
That's his yappy.
I love it, love it, love it. But in the meantime, let me figure out what ice I want before he kicks me out of here. He don't look like he play at all. Entonces yo quiero natural, the natural one.
The natural.
Lemon, coconut,
Lemon, por favor. Lemon. I sugar inside. ¿Cómo se dice sugar?
Honey?
condensed milk.
Yes.
¿Cómo usted preparar es bien? The man said condensed milk.
Milk.
I never
I
had
talk
no.
English, you know?
Malted milk,
Sure.
sugar,
Okay.
Malteada.
Yes.
Okay.
Honey, you don't want honey?
Es mucho sugar. In this moment,
It's
you mean.
good.
Oh gosh.
Yes.
Oh wow.
You need sugar.
Yeah.
Say
You
it
need
again.
sugar.
Sorry?
mucha caloría.
Yes, gracias. Oh man, ¿cuánto por este?
$2.15.
$2.15, por favor, paga este hombre para mí.
Okay.
Él dice. Oh, okay. Wait.
Bye.
Bye,
Gracias.
del México y Panamá.
Y Don Julio.
Y a Don Julio, que están deliciosos.
Exactamente. Gracias también. I like coming here. I like the spirit of the people. I mean, look at this. I mean, I would want to sit with them, but I don't. I know that they'll say she's crazy. You know, she comes. she is.
Tiene que tomarlo porque se va agua y se le va a caer. You need to drink it because it's going to come up.
She says I better drink it before it melt. I think that's what she said. Let me tell you how it tastes. Oh man, yo tengo one travelers in my bag. ¿Usted piensa es one good idea para incluirlo aquí?
I don't know. It's your decision.
¿Qué usted piensa?
It's not correct, but you want, no problem.
Oh man, there's no correct. Oh man. Oh wow. Yeah. I think I did it wrong.
En un canal de YouTube.
Yes.
Okay?
Where is it? YouTube or Facebook? It's in Facebook.
Aha, the morning matters aquí.
The morning matters.
Yes. All right, so guys, we are out here with
De morning.
You know, I like everything about it except the powdered milk. If I had known, I would not include the powdered milk. I like it all except the powdered milk.
The malteada.
The problem is you no saber ese. Yo no sabe mejor o diferente.
México también diferente.
Yeah, it's totally beans in the powdered milk.
Yeah.
Entonces yo no...
Like a caramel.
Wait, yo tengo una cosa para incluirlo. Yo tratar para mirar, este es mejor o no. No Mary Sharp, no.
No.
It's one pepper. One rum. Vamos a tratar. I think it's one good decision.
I know.
It's gonna be nice.
This lady says it's gonna be nice. You say, no. Vamos a tratar.
Ya voy con otro.
No.
Ya lo he probado, ya lo he intentado.
¿Qué usted piensa? ¿Es one good decision?
Yeah.
Ok, vamos.
Try,
Ayúdame,
try,
por
try.
favor. Es Travelers. The cameraman tiene mucho.
Ya.
Ajá. So,
Sí hay, pero lo preparan diferente.
por favor. Aquí. Yo tratar my
Yep.
new invention. ¿Usted quería tratar? Poco.
Yo ya tengo muy poquito hielo.
Ojo, es bien. Vamos a tratar todo.
Okay.
¿Por qué no?
okay. Yeah.
Y usted también.
Sí,
Little
poquito.
bit.
Oh, now it's hot.
No.
The ice is hot.
Yes.
Dice que no.
And ese es good.
Good.
Es one good taste
Yeah.
with it. I
Yeah.
think yo necesito un poco más de Travelers.
Yeah.
I think so.
Rico, ¿no?
Come on,
El
come on,
mío
poco más.
Yeah. Oh, no. Thank you.
I'm driving.
Oh, this will not kill you. Está bien. She says I'm driving. Normalmente este es para one person, para one drink. Entonces nosotros pongo en partes es bien. This, guys, is definitely something that you have to keep in your purse. You never know when you're going to meet new friends and you want to impress them. Travelers has done that.
Mira, ¿sabes cómo me supo como rompope mexicano?
Eso sabe como
¿Qué usted dice?
This tastes like a rompope mexicano, the flavor.
It's like a liquor that Mexicans
Liquor?
drink during
Christmas.
holiday season. Yes, during
Yeah.
Christmas.
You know, in Belize, Travelers Liquor, the guys that make this, they make the, if I had known I was going to meet you, I'd bring you a rompopo. It's really my favorite rompopo in the world. Cuando usted visitar Belize, llámame por ese. Yo busca
Okay.
usted, ellos tienen. Tu ayuda. Yo trataba de ayudar a él,
Yes.
pero él no quiere ayudar.
Ya, aquí está bien, ya lo agarro con la mano. La seguridad.
Yeah, so when
Yes.
you visit Belize, we're gonna have to take you there. So guys, I say thank you. Enjoy. I'm going to leave this for you.
Cheers.
Oh,
Cheers.
Cheers.
Have a good time. Thank you.
Panamá. Eso es lo que hace mi país.
Es su país. All right, vamos a sit down con usted. Yo sé usted quería contestar.
No, yo no hablo inglés.
Ya está bien, mi Spanish es suficiente para usted.
Mira,
¿De dónde usted? ¿Qué parte de Panamá?
Ciudad Radial.
Whatever she said, yes, whatever she says. ¿Por qué ustedes sientan aquí para mirar a él, sí o no?
Porque estoy esperando a mis compañeros y a
No,
mi
yo
maestra
pienso
de
es para
clase.
mirar de Iceman.
No, lo que pasa es que yo vengo a estudiar. Tenemos una actividad ahí en el museo. Ahí en el edificio de la cultura vamos a dar clases. Entonces yo vengo a dar clases. Yo salí del trabajo a las 1 para venir a la actividad de mi escuela, porque me estoy graduando de sexto año, con 50 años.
Whatever she said, I believe her, okay? Gracias.
A usted.
All right, what we're gonna do is I want Cecilio to now tell me where we are in terms of behind here. Okay, I noticed when we come here that the river is really low. Cecilio, dígame. Oh, yo pienso, sorry, aquí es mejor para mirar los dos. The rain, venga. Dígame,
Here, tell me.
¿dónde nosotros?
En este momento estamos en las bóvedas.
Ok, ¿qué nosotros opinamos?
Aquí es un sitio turístico de Panamá. Hay parte de la historia de lo que es el Panamá en past time. Este es como una plaza de armas.
Ok.
Y su nombre pues era como un mirador también similar a The Old Panama.
Okay, so ¿Por qué personas vengan aquí para mirar qué?
Es un sitio turístico y se puede mirar el parte de lo que es el Atlántico, la salida igual de los barcos, y es una parte de la ciudad antigua de Panamá.
¿Usted puede decir en English?
Y this is one part, the old city de Panama. Or this name is Casco Antiguo, the old city.
Okay. And people come here just to look and take pictures.
Yes.
What am I looking at here?
Yo lo soy
¿Qué yo miro?
en the island, the sea, y este es como one similar a Panamá Viejo, the old Panama.
Oh, it's true, because when we were at the old Panama, the lookout, we were able to see this area, but now we're a little bit closer. En ese momento nosotros es más cerca.
De la ciudad, yes.
No, de este visit.
Yes.
In,
Yes.
yeah. And out here is kind of like the tourism village. It's the feel that I get for it. We see artisans out here selling their art. If it sounds like I am blowing, it's because I am blowing. I think this guy is packing up because the rain they come. All right, sorry. Welcome. Yo solo le gusta mirar y grabar también. En this moment, usted contesta en English, yo pienso. Usted hacer este art.
Sí,
Ah,
mira, tengo diferentes artes.
¿usted contestar en English? ¿Poco?
Poquito.
Es suficiente. Dígame, ¿este área usted es así cada día para vender?
Sí,
¿A cuántos años usted hacer este?
30.
Oh, wow, usted tiene mucho experience. Normalmente, usted, I'll talk to you in, sorry, I know you want to lock them up. All right, I know that you want to lock them up because it's the time. But I like that you sell the art like this, that people can take it to their country and put it in their own frames. When you put it in the frame, it's difficult for them to carry. You have made it easy for them to carry.
Sí, sí, por
Yes.
mí, sí, sí.
No, para usted, cuando usted hacer sin frame, ¿cómo se dice frame? Es
Marco.
fácil.
Sí, sin marco.
Es más fácil para ellos llevar.
Sí, claro, claro.
Ponga
claro.
en the bag y cosas
Claro,
así.
se hacen
Exactamente. ¿Cuánto
Sí,
usted vende este?
Hace 300.
Oh, it's beautiful. Cuando
300.
¿cuántas personas mira y venga en Panamá, directo ellos para este lado?
¿Cuántas personas?
No.
Como normal persona.
¿Cómo decirle a
como
las
tourist.
personas que están mirando o que van a ver el programa, cómo hacer que ellos vengan aquí a su sitio y quieran adquirir una pintura?
Oh,
La
estamos
dirección.
aquí en la Plaza de Francia, cerca de la Embajada de Francia y en la calle Primera, Casco Viejo.
Excellent. Thank you.
Bienvenidos.
Bienvenidos. Thank you very much. It's exciting to be out here. I know the rain is coming and I know a lot of you are thinking she's going to get wet, pero no importa a mí in this moment. It's a beautiful day. The rain is coming. We're probably going to have to end this day a little bit early today, but it definitely has been a wonderful day. We've seen a lot of things. We've done a lot of things. What we're going to do though is we're going to go back to the hotel and wrap up with you. So we're going to take one final break and then coming back with our wrap up.
Quality poultry, this a food chicken. Quality poultry, this a food chicken. Quality poultry, everybody finger licking. Quality poultry, the leading poultry provider in Belize. After 47 years with the best ease. We got a store everywhere you go, Corozal to PG and San Pedro. We products always fresh, everybody know we got the cleanest. So if you wanna eat healthy chicken and you don't wanna spend plenty, just come
Yes, I said I know. I said we were going to go, but we came out here to see what there is. And like you can see, there is a lot of rain that's going to come, or it looks like it's going to come. But I really can't end it with that, with just that. We have to wait for it to come. We can't anticipate it. Over there, it looks like it's raining, Cecilio. Are you allá?
Yes.
Mucho.
Yes, this is one part. The name is Costa del Este. Clima.
Aha. Okay. So let's see. I mean, when I come out here, like I said, I feel like I get the feeling of the tourism village where people come, walk around, the artisans get to show their work as well. It's really a nice, beautiful space for people to come. A rainy day is definitely not what they're hoping for, but that's the life. Sometimes it rains and then sometimes it doesn't, all right? A lot of the arts that they make are similar to Belize.
Yes. Yes, it's similar from Belize. It's the area, the one is. You tell me say it's similar for me. No, it's similar, no, because this is one whole old history in this part.
You know, the Mayans in Belize make art that looks similar to this. They make the bags. I mean, it doesn't look exactly the same, but it definitely looks similar. It's cultural, you understand?
Yes.
And you can see
this is one special culture. This is the name is Guna.
Okay. ¿Qué es Guna?
Guna is one culture or one Indian in this country. Ellos es one como separate the city y the town. Ellos tienen su proprietary es only the Guna. The name is Guna Yala.
Yo pienso es similar de Mayans in Belize.
Yes, similar.
Ellos tienen tierra para ellos.
Yes.
The art is beautiful. It is beautiful out here. I love it. I absolutely love it. I love. Hola. I love all of it. I absolutely love all of it. I came from here.
The art is only the sea.
Yes.
Total is the sea. This and this is the sea.
A lot of shells.
Yes.
I love this piece. It's just beautiful. Okay. All right. Let's go down and see what more we have. People are preparing for the rain, but the rain is like a trick. It just comes to cool down the place, but not to wet you up, all right? And you can see all the beautiful art out here.
Yes.
A lot of creativity. If you notice, some of the people are dressed in their cultural attire.
Look this here, the name is Mola. No? The construction from this is only hand.
Yes, you are incredible.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You know, when we travel, we get to see all the innovations of the people. I mean, it's not, unless I go on YouTube or Pinterest or one of those places, I see a lot of innovative things and recycled stuff. This guy recycles the spoons and the forks, turn them into jewelry, and people buy them. It's just beautiful. I mean, here, when I stand here, I am looking at the New Panama. It's just, I mean, it's really a fun experience to come to Panama. This is our day 2. It definitely has been fun, exciting. We came out, we saw a few things today. We brought you out. The rain is coming out, so we are going in, and we will find you again tomorrow.
Did you know that Travelers Liquors is the oldest operating distillery in Belize? In 1953, Mr. Jaime Omario Perdomo started blending Belizean products to produce rum for tourists. With creativity and foresight, he triumphed and built what is today Travelers Liquors, operating for almost 70 years. Our Heritage Museum is located in Belize City, open Monday through Saturday. We invite you to learn about the unique journey of our rum-making history. Thank you for choosing Travelers Liquors, always there.